What's going on, everyone? I'm actually gonna get my clutch changed. It's been getting some crazy noises. Actually, the throwout bearing's been giving like this weird whistling noise, and I don't know how to change the clutch myself. And then I asked the dealership to see how much it does cost, like parts and labor. Yeah, it was actually more than $1,300 to get it done at a Subaru dealership, so I decided to get it done with a buddy of mine that's down here in City Heights in like part of San Diego. Wanted to do that. Actually, pretty excited. Kind of curious how he's going to do it, and trying to figure out if any of the noises is caused by the clutch, which I'm pretty sure. The dealership did tell me that the throwout bearing was making that kind of whistling, fluttering bird noise. So pretty stoked to get that fixed. It's going to be the ACT or ACT heavy duty clutch. Can't wait to try it out. See you guys in a bit. Boom! Whew, finally back. So yeah, the I got my clutch changed and everything. He did it in under 2 hours. That was, I think it was like an hour and 50 minutes. But man, it's like I don't know how to drive a stick shift anymore, and it's pretty crazy. It catches on the bottom now. I'm pretty happy with it. That whole process was super cool to watch, to film actually too. And now that that's done, I'm going to get my clutch pedal assembly done at the dealership. It looked pretty hard. I can't seem to find any videos on how to change the clutch pedal, but that's gonna be in the new video. So hope you guys like this. I had fun. New clutch system, great. It's like a stage 1.5 is what he told me. Love it. It's kind of heavy still, but I love it. Can't wait to do the next video. Alright, later guys.